So, been skiing the Black Diamond Impulse Titanal 98. For those of you who spot it straight off, this is the ladies' graphic. It's an identical ski to the men's ski. There's no difference in the technology at all, and they didn't have my length in the right colour. So I thought they matched anyway, so we went for them. I've really enjoyed these, quite an interesting ski. Firstly, a little bit tech for you. There is a titanial plaque, but it doesn't go all the way to the edges. So they're stiff and they feel great on piste, but they're not ultimately rigid, so they're quite forgiving. So it does mean that when you just want to pivot them around a little bit and your legs are tired, they're ever so easy to spin about. There's obviously a solid wood core through them, so they're a great ski. To be honest, they're really quite interesting to ski on. I'm 73 kilos, so I'm probably almost sort of the middle of the range weight-wise for a ski that is women's and men's. So I found them really easy to drive. Look at the rocker on that. So this is a 175, and I could probably ski the 182, and I wouldn't be afraid of that because of the rocker at the front, and if you look at the tails at the end, you've similarly got a lot of camber on the edge of the skis. So the actual ski length is shorter than it looks. They're quite light. These have got semi-switch touring bindings on them. So I'm going to ski these again in my touring boots and see how they go. What are they like? Well, off-piste, they were really good fun. They feel light and playful underfoot. And yet when you start GSing through the cruddy bumpy stuff we got at the moment, they are carving through it really nicely. You know, they're not a heavy bashing ski, but actually they cut through stuff really nicely. I would say if you're a good intermediate skier who wants to start skiing a lot more off-piste, this is a really good ski. They're a free ride ski. They're happy on the piste, but if you're 50-50, personally I'd go for something that had a little bit more love of the piste. I enjoyed these on the piste. I could ski them all day on piste, but they're best at home off the edges. And they're a nice ski. So personally, I think the Impulse Titanal from Black Diamond is a cracking good ski.